let's get started with our first project. So here is the Apache NetBeans version 13 environment. So as you see, here I see the projects window, files and services. In your computer, you might see different windows open. And here are the menus of the Apache NetBeans. So I'm going to start with clicking on this yellowish button here that's called New Project. As you see here, when I put my mouse over like this button, it just also says me what are the short keys in order to create a new project. This is two ways to create a new project, or you can go to the File menu and then click on New Project. So at least 3 ways to create a new project in NetBeans. So let's start with the new projects using the File menu, and here's going to show me all the available applications or projects that I can create. So I'm going to click on the first one, categories Java with Maven, and the projects, the first one that I'm going to create will be only one Java application. We might talk about some other kind of projects later. So I'm clicking on the Java with Maven, and on the project, the first one, Java application. Now click on next. It's going to ask me for some information about the projects that I'm going to create. So let's just create this one, and let's call it Echo Game. That's our project that we're going to create. So Echo Game. So here it asks where's the location of this project. So you can choose different project location if you would like, but I will go with the default case for now. So it's going to be on my Mac. It's going to be users, my last name, /NetBeans project. So that's where you can find all the projects, files of the Echo Game. And then here it asks you for some group ID and version and the package. Usually I'm not changing the version a lot. You can change if you are working in projects that releases several versions. So here for the group ID, I'm going to just change it to games. So that's the group ID games, and the package change to games.echogame. So that's going to be the package that you're going to create, and I'm going to talk about the packages later. So after creating the project, having all the information entered, now we are ready to click on the Finish button. So now the project is created. So we have a class created for us, have like the source packages and the packages created, and there are some other files and folders that I will explain later. So when you create a Java project using the NetBeans, here in this case we have a class name called echogame.java. We'll talk about like the classes later, but for now, what is a Java file? Java files are the files that store your source code in Java. So any file that contains an extension Java, JAVA, means they're storing the content or your source code. So that's where the compiler of Java will just read and compile your code in order to run some programs.